Hello, my name is Sam. This is my demonstration and discussion of the Coprime function. So to start out, I will run the Coprime test loop, and I will test it with 14 and 15. They are Coprime, which is correct. Try it again with 14 and 21, which are not Coprime, as 7 goes into both of them. And I'll do exit to quit. So going into this, it has the Coprime test loop which I ran, asks for 2 integers separated by a space, checks that they submitted exit, in which case it prints that exit message and breaks. Otherwise, splits it and then sends it through the Coprime function, which is essentially a greatest common denominator function by taking the mod of A and B and then sending it back through reverse. Checking if B is equal to 0, meaning that it went into A in the previous one, in the previous calculation, and perfect number of times, leaving no remainder, in which case it then goes down to check if A is equal to 1, which would mean the greatest common denominator between A and B is 1, which would make them coprime. So coming down here, if that is true, then, which in the case of, say, 14 and 15 is true, it displayed the function 14 and 15 are coprime. If this is not true, if another thing is here, such as 7 in this one, it displayed the function, or displayed the message 14 and 21 are not coprime. If anything other than 2 integers is submitted, then it'll give an error message. Regarding its efficiency, I believe that it is an efficient way to do it without using the greatest common denominator function. It does have to loop through multiple times, but I believe there's a more efficient way of doing it than how I had originally written it prior to reading the discussion, that to not use a min and then go through the loop based on the min number of times, dividing them out. What assumptions does it make? It makes the assumption that the 2 integers are submitted correctly. I was not able to get it to crash necessarily. The except statement got most of the errors that I found. I guess one issue, not terribly an issue, but if you put in 1 and 0, it will see that B is equal to 0 and A is equal to 1 and automatically come down here to the coprime without actually technically checking to see if they are, but they are coprime, so it shouldn't be an issue. Thank you.